Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Parag Jambulkar. On many big websites, you might have seen HTTPS. It stands for HTTP over SSL. That means whatever the data that is transferred over the network, here in this case internet, is encrypted. So for security, we have to use HTTPS. Now, when you have your own website, so by default you have HTTP extension. So HTTPS service you have to purchase. But if you are hosting your website on Blogger or if you are using Blogger for your website, then Blogger by default provide HTTPS service. Just you have to make some small changes. In this video, we'll see how to convert your HTTP website into HTTPS website. Search for Blogger in google.com or directly you can go to www.blogger.com. Here you got the first link, click on that. Then get sign in by using your Gmail credential. We have signed in Blogger by using our Gmail user ID and password. On left hand side there is a link called as setting. Click on that. Scroll down. Here you will get HTTPS option. So already I have converted my website to HTTPS, but by default here it is no and here is also no. So if you want to convert your HTTP website into the HTTPS website, then make it yes. So it will take around 5 minutes to convert your website into HTTPS website. After that, again you have to come here and make it yes. So whatever HTTP links are there, that will get redirected to the HTTPS links. Once you make both S, then you have to make some small settings. Go to theme, then click on edit HTML. Here you will find warning that this theme code is mixing HTTP and HTTPS. So what you have to do, you have to search for HTTP. So press Ctrl F, search for HTTP, and wherever you will get HTTP, you have to convert it to the HTTPS. So for example, here it is HTTP, so make it HTTPS. Likewise, you can change all HTTP into HTTPS, but it is an optional step. Then click on Save Theme. After that, again we have to make some small setting. So click on Setting. Here in Setting, there is an option called as Search Preferences. Click on that. Here in Crawlers and Indexing, here it is written Google Search Console. There is an option called as Edit. Click on it. Google Search Console has been opened. So already I have added this website here. So when you are converting your website into HTTPS website, so we have to add that. So click on Add Property. Here we have to provide that link. So that link you will get from here. So go to the Blogger, click on View Blog and copy this link and paste here. After that, scroll down and click on Continue. Here we got one window which is showing our product is added. Then we'll go to the property, or also you can click on Done. So the product which we added, it is showing here HTTPS and our website name. On left hand side there is a link called as Sitemap. Click on that. Now here we have to add sitemap for our website. Sitemap is the thing by which Google comes to know everything about our website. So here you have to enter sitemap.xml and after that click on Submit. We got this window that sitemap has been submitted successfully. Then click on Got it. So our sitemap has been successfully uploaded. Here it is showing 0 Discover URL. As it is a big website, it will take some time to find out number of URLs. If yours is a small website, then it will show the number of URLs of your website. So by this way, we have converted our HTTP website into HTTPS website. Here we can see. So this is our URL. So here we have HTTPS. So any URL link you will click, so you will find HTTPS. So friends, if you like this post, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.